Hi, my name is Dr. Somji, cosmetic surgeon here at DrMediSpa. I'm going to talk to you about two treatments which I think are fantastic for a number of different conditions. One of them is called the Morpheus. It's a brand new microneedled radiofrequency treatment, and it's automated at specific levels in the skin. So what can it be used for? So Morpheus can actually be used for acne scarring. So if scarring is deeper within the skin at around 2 to 3 millimeters, the needles can penetrate through the skin and emit radiofrequency within that area, generating collagen and improving skin thickness. So for scarring, it can be used in different deeper levels. For anti-aging purposes and for skin tightening, it can be used on the face as well as on the body too. So it yields fantastic results because the actual energy is released in the place where it's needed the most. And it can be superior to a number of different lasers which only expend the energy just at the surface of the skin and rely on conduction of heat deeper in the layers. But because this penetrates through the skin with small microneedles and then radiofrequency underneath the skin, it can be a more powerful treatment with actually less downtime too. The second needled radiofrequency treatment that I like to use is called Fractora. Everyone asks me this all the time. What's the difference between Fractora and Morpheus? They're both fantastic treatments, but which one should I go for? And what I say to people is that, look, Fractora has a pin that sits underneath the skin, much like Morpheus, but the energy is released at the whole length. And this is specifically used for deeper acne scars, as well as post-surgery when we're trying to get even more lift. With Morpheus, it's a procedure that can be performed under local anesthetic at targeted layers, so the energy is only expended at the tip of the pin rather than through the whole pin. If you've got ethnic skin, for example, and you're prone to hyperpigmentation or more pigment after a procedure, then Morpheus can be a safer treatment for you than Fractora. If you've got deeper acne scars and you need to really have more collagen production and more dermal remodeling, then Fractora is something that would be appropriate for you. But if you're ever confused about any of these things, all you need to do is actually come in for an appointment and see one of our skin specialists, and we can actually determine which treatments are right for you. It may even be possible to actually do a combination of both for fantastic results.